Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Yep, it's me again here for Rustic Trends and the do-it-yourself kind of guy. Basically, I'm building some. That's right, doesn't look like anything. It is an outdoor laundry you can put by your pool, on your porch, on your patio, anywhere you want. So, I'm going to show you guys the full tutorial on how I did this one. Normally I don't do that, but I'm going to. So, and one other thing too, I've been using this little guy. This little thing is an E-Tape 16. This thing is fantastic. It's all digital. Great little thing. Look them up. They're cheap. They're like $19.99. And they will memorize all your, whatever measurements you made. If you want something that's really long and you don't know dead center, it'll tell you it also. So look it up. I am not sponsored by them. Wish I was. And this little thing I've had well over a year now. It has served me really well. I use it so much that I've had to replace the batteries in it twice. Batteries are cheap for it. You can get them anywhere. So now what I'm going to do is show you guys what I did on the framing, how long the 2x4s are. These 2x4s, you can purchase them anywhere, Lowe's, Home Depot, your local hardware store that sells lumber, or even stuff you have laying around, or somebody tore down an old porch or whatever, and clean them up and reuse them. Nothing wrong with recycling and repurposing old wood. But here we go. I'm going to measure this. So this piece right here, this is roughly, okay, this piece is 21 inches. So you're going to need 4 of these. 2 for the top, 2 for the bottom. I don't have any main support beams down there. I'm not worried about it. So here, these 2x4s, you're going to need 4 of them. This is 50 inches. Okay, you're going to need 4 of those. For your main supports going across here, you can put as many as you want. I put 3 of them. Thinking of, where someone's going to sit. I do have to maybe move 1 or 2 of them. This right here, these are, alright, 1 foot 5 inches and 5/16. But if you want, you don't have to follow my design. You can make them wider. This is kind of for an average person. So these guys right here, you're going to need 6 of these. The ones that go up and down. These are roughly 21 inches. You're going to need 6 of them. For your back part. Okay? The top and your bottom one is going to be a little bit wider. And the center one, that is at 18 inches. So you're going to need 2 of those. This middle one, 1 foot 2 inches and 5/16. You're only going to need 1 of those. When I did this, I held them in with deck screws. Okay, the torque ones. They work really well, and they're galvanized. They won't rust. They won't break it easy either. You can angle this any way you want. I just eyeballed it the way I wanted it, and that was it. So you can make it lower, you can make it higher up, whatever is comfortable for you. I started out, when I started building this, you make these 2x4s, make a box, make 2 of them. Then, yes, there's stuff falling on my roof from the trees. Then these side supports, okay, start screwing them in at the bottom. I did 4 of them. Then I flipped it over and put it inside of this, the top one, screwed them together. Once I did that, I got a basic framing done. Then I put my middle ones in, which toughened it up even more. Then I just started adding my supports. Real easy to do. Then this one right back here, you just make your basic box. Put this in the center. Slide it in there, measure the height of how you want it. Or the cushion that you're going to get, that is another big thing too. Make sure the cushion that you're getting, this will cover, the cushion will cover it, and it's tall enough for it. So this way you're good to go. So now, this is part 1. I will be showing you how I'm going to be, I call it wrapping it, but putting the wood around it. And on the top, I'll split this up in a couple of videos, so this way, whoever decides to subscribe to my channel and follow my build, you can do this step by step. I know there's a lot of beginners out there, Me, I started out the same way. I was a beginner. I'm always learning. I am not a professional. I do not claim to be. So I've learned this all on my own, and watching some other people here and there. So I will get back to you guys soon. This is part 1, but please hit that like, subscribe, and that bell for notifications. And I'll see you guys real soon. Take care.